Hi everyone, it's Nadia, a watercolor artist from Kyiv, Ukraine. And today we are going to paint Watercolor Protea illustration. I found a photo of Protea in this book by Studio 2. I've used this photo of a Protea. To make sure I will be able to cope with this illustration, first I started from a sketch. And then, when I understood the method how each petal should be painted, I created this illustration. The leaves are placed in a different way, just because I like this composition much more. I do hope that you will enjoy this video, and if you do, please click the like and subscribe button. I'm starting from making a color mixture to paint the stem. I need a warm red dark brown color. First I wet the paper with water and then add color, so that it could spread evenly and in a more artistic way. If we add color to a dry paper, it will look like a gouache and it will not have that blurred, airy watercolor effect. I'm adding green to show that the stem is not completely brown. I'm painting shadow places with really intense dark brown color. I want to show that the leaves are of a really warm green color, and to do it I painted the first layer in a warm yellow shade. Also, I have noticed that the tip of every leaf is bright yellow, and I want to show it as well. While I'm adding the green color, I'm trying to keep the middle part of the leaf really light. And I have also noticed, I'm looking at the reference image, and I see that every leaf has several brown spots. I'm trying to show it as well. The leaves which are located further from us should look darker and cooler. To paint these leaves, I am using the same color mixture, but I have added more indigo to it. And don't forget to add the shadows of the leaves to the stem. It will make the flower look really realistic. Now I'm adding small details to every petal. I'm paying more attention to the petals which are located closer to me, and the petals at the back, they should look more transparent. This is how we will add volume to the flower. To create such a detailed, realistic painting, you should be ready to add lots of layers. But it can be some kind of meditation. I have been painting for 7 years, and I came to a conclusion that if I enjoy the process of painting, it means that I will like the result. And if during a painting I don't like how it looks, it means that I will not like what I will receive at the end. I would highly recommend you to start the way I have done. Start with a small watercolor sketch. It will save you lots of time, lots of watercolor supplies. You will understand the method how every petal, every leaf should be painted. And once you got it, you can paint bigger watercolor botanical illustration, and I'm sure you will really like the result. Protea is such a fun to paint. It's a very unusual plant, but it has a defined structure, and even if you paint a very loose watercolor illustration of a Protea, everyone will still see that it's a Protea, and it means that you succeeded. You painted something beautiful, but still recognizable. Thank you guys for spending your time with me. I wish you an awesome day and see you in the next video.